I'm Kristin Omdahl and welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a super healthy, veggie-filled, brothy black bean soup and how to make your own homemade lime salt chips without oil and without frying. First, you want to soak your beans on the counter overnight. Then drain your beans in the sink and rinse with fresh water. Peel the carrots. Cut your jalapeno peppers. If you do not like any spice at all, you can skip the peppers. If you like a little bit of spice, skip the membranes inside and the seeds. Or if you like lots of spice, you can keep all of the seeds inside as well. Cut all of your vegetables into 3-inch pieces to be able to fit nicely in the chopper. Chop all of your vegetables on 1/4-inch dice. Peel and finely mince your garlic. Add your pot on the stove on medium heat and add a small amount of vegetable spray. Then add all of your vegetables and begin to saute. Continue stirring the vegetables until they are softened and lightly golden. Then add your beans, vegetable stock, and jar of salsa. Bring to a simmer, reduce the heat, and cover. You want to cook this for 2.5 hours or until your beans are tender. Partially puree the soup with an immersion stick blender. Cut your corn tortillas into 6 equal pieces. Lay them out flat on a greased cookie sheet. Juice 2 limes and then brush the lime juice on all of the tortilla chips. Season with salt, onion powder, and garlic powder. And repeat on the other side. Bake in a 450-degree oven for 5 to 7 minutes or until golden brown. Chop the cilantro finely for garnishing the soup. I like to serve my soup with raw onions and cilantro and wedges of lime. You can also add sour cream and cheddar cheese. All right, let's give it a taste. Just the way I like homemade soup. Lots of vegetables, lots of broth. I made mine a little bit on the spicy side, but there are definitely ways that you can alter the heat, and I'll leave all of those notes in the free pattern page that will be linked in the video description. All right, let's see how crunchy these baked lime salt chips are. Yay, they passed the crunch test. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions at all, please leave them for me in the comments. Everything we talked about today, you can find as links in the video description below. Let us make time to create, share, and inspire today and every day. I'll see you in the next video.